If you want to make your Mailchimp campaigns look more polished, consistent, and on brand, the Creative Assistant is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Creative Assistant in Mailchimp step by step, so you can quickly import your brand assets and build a more professional look for your emails and marketing content. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Content section and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps a lot of your media and brand-related tools, so it's the right place to start when setting up your Creative Assistant. Next, click on Brand Kit. The Brand Kit is where Mailchimp helps you store and organize the visual identity of your brand, including things like your logo, fonts, colors, and button styles. If you've never used it before, don't worry. Mailchimp makes it pretty straightforward. Now you'll see an option to type in your website URL. Paste your brand website into that field. This helps Mailchimp pull in brand-related details and get your setup started faster. After entering your website, click on Import Brand. This is the part where Mailchimp attempts to automatically gather your brand assets and create a starting point for your brand kit. If you prefer, you can also set everything up manually instead of importing. So if the automatic import doesn't pull in exactly what you want, or if you want more control over how your branding looks, just choose the option to set it up manually. That gives you the flexibility to define every detail yourself. Once you're in the manual setup area, click on Or Set Up Manually if that option appears. From there, you can begin adding the key pieces of your brand identity one by one. Start with logos and add your logo files. This is important because your logo helps make your emails instantly recognizable and keeps your branding consistent across campaigns. After that, click on Fonts and add your preferred fonts. Choosing the right fonts helps your emails match your brand style and gives everything a more professional appearance. Whether your style is modern, clean, bold, or elegant, this is where you make that visual choice. Then click on Colors and add your brand color palette. Your colors are one of the most important parts of your identity because they appear throughout your emails, buttons, headers, and graphics. Keeping your brand colors consistent helps build trust and makes your content look cohesive. Next, click on Button Styles and add your preferred button design settings. This is especially useful if you want your call to action buttons to match the rest of your brand. You can make sure they stand out while still fitting your overall design system. Once you've added all of your brand elements, Mailchimp saves everything automatically. That means you don't need to worry about manually hitting save after every change. Just make sure your information is correct as you enter it, and Mailchimp will keep your brand kit updated in the background. And that's really all there is to it. The Creative Assistant in Mailchimp makes it much easier to build a consistent brand presence without spending extra time designing everything from scratch. It's a great feature for businesses, creators, and marketers who want their email campaigns to look clean and professional with less effort. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.